Monday, the beginning of a work week. I guess for all of us, I've been working today creating videos. So I just wanted to pop in and say hi, be another part of my daily vlog. So what am I up to? So I have just filmed my first how would you say that? My first part 1 of my Get to Know Me, okay? So I just filmed that. I'm going to edit that and try to get that up for tomorrow morning. I also did my Stitch Fix, and I can link that above if you want, because if you want to get on my Stitch Fix, it was a great box. It was just a great box. You can see what I kept. And what else am I doing today? Oh, so I am trying hard to work on my keto diet. I got up actually yesterday. I will have to take you in the kitchen later, but yesterday I took all of the foods that I bought the day before, I think it was, from Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, and I measured and weighed out a bunch of different stuff. So I measured out a half cup of cottage cheese, and I put those just in little containers so that when I want to take something to eat real quick or on the go, I can just grab one of those. I usually eat the Greek yogurt that's 4%. I have 2 containers it's split in half. So I put my yogurt in one side and I put fresh strawberries. I cut those up, and walnuts in the other side. So when I want either a breakfast or a snack, I can just grab one of those. What else did I do? Let me grab this real quick. I have been loving lemonade. Okay, so I did buy nuts. So I bought macadamia nuts and almonds. I already had walnuts. And then I bought pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. So I measured those up so that it would be like an ounce, and that would be one of my snacks. I also made 2 containers that had cubed cheddar cheese with like a pepperoni stick cut up into pieces. And then that was on the right side, and on the left side had like macadamia nuts. So that was a fast lunch for me to take anywhere. I actually ate one today. I did not realize I don't buy macadamia nuts very often. It's been a long time, but I will say that's probably the sweetest nut that I've ever eaten. But it was totally yummy, and it's good for me on the keto diet as long as I eat in moderation. So I have weighed everything out. So in my cupboard, I have all these, I have like 4 bags of macadamia nuts. They're like those little tiny snack bags. And then I have 4 bags of almonds, and I have 4 bags of pumpkin seeds and 4 bags of sunflower seeds. All that's, already shelled. So I have those for snacks. I have the mixtures of nuts and cheese that I told you about, the yogurts and the cottage cheese. So I did all of those. What else? There's something else that I did. I cannot remember. But so I've done all that to be able to be accountable to myself, because a lot of times when you're hungry, you don't want to make anything, especially if you're in a rush. And I don't want to just eat whatever. Or if I have a craving for something and I'm dying having a craving for something, I can go grab one of those snacks and get my mind out of that. Or I can go in and get a fat bomb, or what do you call those other things? Like the Lily's dark chocolate. You only can have a square or 2, but that, is so rich and good that it just satisfies your sweet tooth. So you don't do that all the time. you need more veggies than you need sweets. So, what else? My daughter and I, that's what I was going to tell you guys. Yesterday was Saturday. No, yesterday was Sunday. Saturday. My daughter picked me up, and her and I went out for the entire day. She picked me up at 10, okay, or 10:30. And we are giving my daughter-in-law to be a bridal shower. And so we went shopping for the rest of the things that we needed for the bridal shower. So on our first stop, we went to the what do you call that? Harps grocery store. So we went to Harps and ordered the cake and ordered a couple other items that I don't want to say. Well, actually, it was cupcakes. And then a couple other platters of things that I don't want to say because she watches my videos. So we ordered those. And see, what we're trying to do is while we're not having very many people, we still want to keep all of the rules in place about being safe. We'll have a sanitizing station that will have masks and sanitizer for you to use for your hands. So we are working on ways to sit people differently so that we're not within 6 feet of somebody else. It's really hard to do these showers and these things that you would normally do during this time. We are learning. So we got all the food. Then we went to First Impressions, which is a bridal shop. The mother of the groom needs a dress. So I looked there, and I'm telling you, I can't afford the dresses that were in that store. Or I don't want to pay that amount. That's just too much for me. Now, if it was my gown and I'm a bride, oh yeah, I'm going to. But they were $295 to like $700, and I just can't do that. That's just way too much money. So after we went there and looked there, we went to a place called David's Bridal, and you all may have heard that. Maybe they have those in your area. They're not as expensive as going to this little tiny boutique, but they have great customer service. I mean, we went in there and I told her what I was looking for. They gave me a girl to help us, to get me a room, to take the dresses I wanted to try on. And I think I probably tried on 12 dresses. It was a lot of dresses. And it's me and my daughter. So, you know, I'm blind, as you know. So my daughter knows my taste very well, but was going through all of the dresses. And then it's like, you got the perfect dress and they didn't have your size. And then it's discontinued. I'm like, oh, you know, I don't have a lot of time to order a dress for it to come in. So I've got to find something that's there. So she's helping me, of course, because it's darker, kind of dark in the dressing room. So they put us actually in the handicapped dressing room, which is awesome. So she's helped me get dressed and trying to zipper me up, and we're trying on 12 dresses, and I don't know which one I want. And I'm sending pictures to my husband. I'm sending pictures to the bride, or my daughter is. It's like, it was a hot mess. So I thought I'd wear an 8 or a 10 at the most. I wore anywhere from an 8 to a 12. It's like one of the 12s I tried on was tighter than the 10 I tried on. So you just never know when it comes to wedding dresses. So I found one. It is beautiful. It is perfect. And I will put a picture or a video in here. I have to try it on anyway with the shoes I bought. I'm hoping it works. It's like a metallic, it's got a pinky gold tone to it. it's high on the neck, but it kind of covers here, but it kind of goes down to about here, which is very pretty. It gives you some cleavage. It has a band, like a thick, you know, it looks like a band, but it's nothing that pulls you in. But it's this thick, and it has, you know, little, like little diamond type things all around it. And so it kind of does give me a figure. Makes me look bigger up here, which is what I need that. And it makes my stomach or my waist kind of go in a little bit, but then the rest of it flows to the ground, and it kind of drags on the ground a little bit, like in the back, like a little bit of a, I cannot think. Okay, so it's beautiful, and it was only $119. Compare that to the First Impressions place. The dress I wanted to get was discontinued, and they didn't have my size. And it was $99. I would have went with that, $99. So I got that. I got a pair of shoes. They're silver with those little diamond things all over it. I'll show you those too. I'm gonna have to try it on because it makes me look kind of washed out right now, but I will tan before I go to the wedding. And so my tan skin I think will look really nice with the color of the dress. So I think everything will be fine. But I guess that's about it for today. I'm just rambling. Yeah, I guess that's about it. If I think of anything else, I'll come back with you guys in a little while. But happy Monday, guys. I hope your day has gone great. See you in a bit. Hey, everyone. Today is Tuesday, the 26th of January. And you know, I can never remember the month of January. I have no idea why. I am out shopping and having fun with my sister. Hi. So this is Gwen. We haven't barely seen each other in how many years? Oh,
Probably
God.
5.
Probably 5 years. I seen her in the summer, and then we got together today. So we can now start hanging out some more, having fun. But we're just doing some shopping. Nothing in particular, just to have fun. So I will check in with you guys. Hey, so check me out. Here I am, ready for Easter. Hey y'all, just chilling in Hobby Lobby, kind of by the arts and craft area. You can tell behind me it's got a bunch of those little beadings and things like that. In here with my friend Gwen, and we are looking for some things for her to put over the fireplace in her new home. So I was just in here the other day with Megan, which is my daughter. So in here today, let's see, I'm gonna show you what I got so far. So you see my little cup? So it's pink and it's plastic. I again broke the carafe to my lemonade. So I got that. I got this flamingo that can sit on the table outside. Let's see. I got this flag with a flamingo. And I got this little wine outdoor cup for my drinks when we're outside. And like, I think everything in here is 40% off or maybe 50% off. So that's all I have picked out and just kind of walking through to see what we can find. So we are in our first store and we've probably been here over an hour already. So we're definitely doing the shopping thing today. So I am taking you guys with me to show you what we're doing. Okay, talk to you in a bit. Hey guys, we are in, where are we at again? Kirkland's. Just got back from Hobby Lobby. We're still looking for something to go over top of Gwen's fireplace, and bedroom stuff too. So we're just kind of checking out Kirkland's beautiful stuff as always.
We have a helper with us.
Oh yeah, look, you got to see our little helper.
Mia!
Here's Gwen's service dog. Say hi, Mia. She's so pretty. Mia's pretty, just got all done. Hey, hey. Okay, we're gonna shop. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Today is, I think, the 27th of, the 27th of January. I am just chilling right now. I'm doing stuff all morning. I guess my regular chores I do in the morning just took me forever. So I did watch like an hour and a half of Golden Girls, and that is my totally favorite show ever. Hey everyone, what's up? So today is Friday the 29th. It is my daddy's birthday. Happy 78th birthday to my dad. And I love you. So today I am just in the computer room. Yesterday I tried to download a Stitch Fix. No, didn't work. Even overnight, I came back this morning and it said failed. So I tried all day yesterday, from yesterday morning until this morning, and it wouldn't work. So I deleted, got on our Mac computer, and it is downloading. It's about 55%. Been in here about 45 minutes. So just waiting for the rest of it to download. It was a good Stitch Fix. As you guys will see, there is a favorite item that is in that box. Today I looked and I have the next Stitch Fix coming. I'm really excited about it. I asked for a particular pair of jeans that had 6% spandex in them, which means I might be able to wear them without hurting. So she put them in there. I asked her for pink clover. She put that in there. And some really cute tops. So I got a tank top in there. I got like a 3/4 sleeve top in there. And just really cute stuff. So it looks like I'm going to really like this box. That could be a problem.